Hello ladies and gentlemen, Petrosian here. Today I will restart doing more videos. I was thinking to make more videos like this, yeah, which I can understand, because these games with grandmasters, I'm not saying I'm not going to do it. I will do it, but I'm just saying that it's really hard to give this information and understand what like grandmasters like Carlson, yeah, they have they're like geniuses and they have huge preparation, and then these players who barely play for a players, yeah, start saying like they just saw this game and they start telling you what Carlson is doing, yeah, even though they don't understand it. Yeah, and okay, for opening I can believe you, but it's not that easy. Yeah, what uh, the think process, yeah, let's say in any opening, yeah, forced or not forced, is not apparent, is not easy. Yeah, so they go for variations. They have some beacons. Yeah, so he went made this move, so I will go for this, and no one really understands that, because you have to be a grandmaster, yeah, at least to know what they're doing. And I can pretend that I understand, but I don't. So this kind of position I might understand a little bit better, and maybe I'll look for it, like I look for this chess photos, yeah, which you appreciate. So we'll see. Okay, and I returned from Poland. I've been in Poland 2 times last 2 weeks for European Rapid and then for World Championships. And I made a lot of videos, so I'm getting ready to upload them. Okay. So this incident is has been hilarious. This Polish chess player Teclaf, he fell from chair uh, because he was so frustrated, so shocked that he's losing. Yeah, that he lost balance and fell from chair, which I never seen before. And what actually happened, so he plays white and it's a blitz game, so he doesn't have any time on his clock, and so does the Petrosian. But Petrosian, of course, is a grandmaster. He's a stronger chess player comparing to Teclaf, but he's titled and he's very good as well. So Teclaf is he's more excited because he's winning. Yeah, he's it's not that you get so agitated. I don't know, when you losing against a higher rated opponent, but especially when you winning a higher rated opponent. So for instance, I played the Grandmaster Mises once, a blitz game, and I outplayed them. I outplayed him, and I was winning with rook end game with like 2 extra pawns, and he started playing really quickly, and he at some point played a move which where I could capture his rook, but I was going to queen my pawn and I didn't see it, and he took my rook, and it ended in a draw. Hilarious. So maybe, but yeah, in this position you don't think about these things probably. So white is winning. White has a lot of extra material. They have 2 pawns and 2 rooks, so basically that's like 3 pawns up. But notice that white skin is quite bad. Black skin is bad as well, but you cannot really mate him. In this position, white's idea is to capture this bishop, then they will be winning easily. Even for blitz it's too much, but it's not that easy to capture it. So that's the only move. Check. King to g5. If you play king to f4, then it's probably this move, taking the rook. So he saw it, he played king g4. Bishop a6. So engine suggests rook g1, but it's not easy. You don't want to disconnect rooks when you having this havoc near the king. So he just gave check, forcing king to go to g3. Again, with the same idea, if king f4, then we win the piece. So he went here. And he played rook h3. This move I don't like, but it's not that bad. The problem is that he gets freeze this first line for the queen, but the idea of this move is to force king to f file and also protect c3, because when you think about all this, you cannot consider all the moves, but you just want to, you know, take cover, maybe cover b3 if you need it, yeah, just block with the rook and so on. So he played here, check, king takes, and Teclaf took this bishop. He would be winning unless this variation, check, and he takes the rook. So black won the black is out of trouble. I think normally white will have some winning chances, yeah, because they can they have this extra pawn and they can make some coordination between bishop and rook. The problem is that the king is extremely weak, and this pawn is actually helps black. Yeah, it can go to a5 and you cannot ever capture it. And so both players, I think, were not happy, but Petrosian was clearly trying to, you know, win the game because he's not risking bishop d3. a5, just maybe a pawn will reach a3 and it's will coordinate with the queen. So Teclaf defense, check, attacking a2, king defense, and king c3. So again, queen e6 would be a draw, but black is in this position. The black is better, obviously, because he reached c3 with his king. Check, king goes away. Queen c2, attacking and winning some time. You cannot go to c3 again because of this, and white will win. Check, king f2, and a4. a4 is I don't know, pretty good move, I think, as white is already agreed for a draw. They just need to keep here rook here, and he can move the king. It's totally zero. Queen c3, king b1, but you can play this move as well. Yeah, it's totally every move is a draw. Queen a3. Again, you have to. The position is a draw, but the only completely drawish move is rook h4, which he didn't find. He played differently, rook c3. And this position is critical. Yeah, he had to find rook h4, and if he goes here, then return with the rook to c4 and not allow this, because this is not working. Yeah, it's not going to be mate. But he played this move. He played king e3, rook e4, and this position he gave this check, and after king c3 it appears that king cannot run, and it's made this the next move. So he was so frustrated he fell out of chair. Okay, congratulations to Petrosian, and Thank you for watching, and see you next time.